Welcome back to another user here. So today I'm playing in the Shadowcraft. Behind me is my house. I live in the village. It's not done yet, but this is my doorbell, my trash bin, whatever. I have no mailbox. Okay, let's go in and get our. Okay, I'm in. Ha! Faster. Okay, clock says 9. Okay, radio, nothing. So, why is this coming every time? Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. What the? Okay, this is my kitchen and where I'm eating. And this is my TV set. I don't know what it says, but it's a TV. And this is going into nothing. I don't know what it is. Okay, my Christmas tree and something. Oh, and then my bathroom. Stephen, really? Okay. Clock mirror. What it does, I don't know. Let's see. Hide hole. Okay, let's put it right here. I don't know it. But okay, I'm gonna put this on, but I don't know why it doesn't. Wait, let me try with Steve one. Nothing. Okay, so what? Log. Okay, whatever. I don't know what to do now. Letterbox. Unicorn home. Fishnet. Okay. I don't know. But I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Fishy. There we go. And catch. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Fish. Come on. Fish. Wish. Okay. Now this. I put it right. Sorry, Christmas tree. I put it right there. And Fluffy. Oh no, Fluffy. Sorry, Fluffy. Please go in. Oh, come on. Fluffy. Go away from my head. Okay. You have no choice for me. Wait, where did we go? Okay, what now? I don't know how to put the fish in the bowl. Wait, let me see what that does. Can I put water in it? When not, I'm so sad. Go in. Help. Okay, not working. I don't know what to do. Okay. Ready for dying? Die. Finally. Okay. Now what to do? I don't know what to do. What's this? I don't know. But let's give it a try. Tangerine chicken. Okay. I don't know. Look. Open tangerine. What? I have a chicken. Yes, yeah, I have a chicken. Hi, chicken. I'm funny. Okay. fairy. I want a fairy. Fairy, fairy. Remove fairy. Where's my fairy? I want my fairy. Back. I want my fairy. Back. Chicken. I just can't. Also. Back. Never. Cool. No. Let's see. Skeleton, spider, squid, spider, jockey. Nine. Snow. Rana. Ooh. But I can't take it. Rana. Sorry. Ocelot. 8. Hi, Ocelot. Look, I have Ocelot. Okay. Time to sleep. Let's see. Say night time. Night, night. I want to sleep. Okay, forget. Let's go. And sleep. So, okay, there's my fluff. Okay, see ya in the next episode. I don't know what to do now. Okay, bye.